Lately, we have been seeing a lot of speculation about Kim Jong Un's health. Is he alive and well? Has he made an appearance in a public gathering? Let's see what the state media has to say. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un made his first public appearance in 20 days as he celebrated the completion of a fertilizer factory near Pyongyang, state media said on Saturday, ending an absence that had triggered global rumors that he may be seriously ill. The North Korea's official Korean Central News Agency reported that Kim attended the ceremony Friday in Suncheon with other officials including his sister Kim Yo-jong, whom many analysts predict would take over if her brother is suddenly unable to rule. Official Rodong Sinmun newspaper published several photos of Kim wearing black and smiling as he looked around the factory and cut a red ribbon, his sister looking from behind. Seemingly, thousands of workers, many of them masked, stood in lines at a massive complex releasing balloon into the air. The images give no clear sign that Kim was in discomfort. He wasn't seen with a walking stick like the one he used in 2014 when he was recovering from a presumable ankle surgery. However, one of the photos at the factory showed a green electrical cart which appeared similar to a vehicle he used in 2014 when he was ill. Let's be clear, Kim Jong-un could have been ill, or he could have had some sort of surgical procedure in the last 2 weeks, or he could simply have been lounging in a yacht near his villa in Wonsan, laughing at the world's wild speculation. His 20-day absence is not without a precedent. There are still valid questions to be asked about a potential successor and what plans are in place should something happen to him. But there is one thing that has been lost in all of this. North Korea is more than one man. It is a country of 25 million people who are often overlooked. Today, Mr. Kim's reappearance was at a fertilizer factory. The headlines will of course focus on his return and on where he has been rather than on whether this factory will help the country tackle chronic food shortages. I assure you that for the people of North Korea right now, this is just as important as the unexplained absence of the leader. Analysts say that his health could become an increasing factor in years ahead. He is overweight, smokes and drinks, and has a family history of heart issues. Well, this public appearance does not make it all clear. It may even be a propaganda by the North Korean government to cover up. When asked about Kim's reported reappearance, US President Donald Trump told reporters that he didn't want to comment yet.